Hi everyone, I'm Jane.
I'm Natalia.
And I'm Naomi.
Today we'll be reading Why is Nita Upside Down? Written by Emma Hearne and illustrated by Sarah Bouwer. So without further ado, let's start.
Nita's hanging upside down, her long hair tickling at the ground. The trees, the grass, the everything is all the wrong way round.
Her feet, they poke into the sky. Little Nabby is walking by. He says, "I've seen you here before. You're upside down again. What for?"
Her feet swing lightly in the air. She tries to hide behind her hair. It's hard to talk, she says to him. I'm not the same. I don't fit in.
Navi takes her by the hand. He wants to help her understand. They climb to Navi's lookout spot. From up here, they can see a lot. They perch and have a quiet stare at children playing here and there.
Those kids are not the same at all. Apes round.
She's freckled.
Lala's extra tall.
Bam Bam's wild and must run free.
While Lulu reads quietly.
Look at Freya's crazy hair.
And Tim wears glasses everywhere.
And me, I am just skin and bone. And you are you. You're not alone. Each human's sort of strange, you see. That makes you just the same, like me. This world is really one big game. To play, we can't all be the same.
Nita feels the right way round, thanks to the new friend she's found. Upside down was never fun. Now she plays with everyone.
The end. Reading is important because it helps inspire girls like me to dream and to chase after what I want to achieve. Thank you so much for tuning in to our video. We hope you enjoy our reading of Why is Nita Upside Down? And yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.